Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In today's episode, let's look at a very interesting matrices and determinants question. So the question goes like this. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix and the elements of A belong to -1, 0 and 1, what are the number of matrices A such that the trace of A into A transpose is 3. We have to find the number of matrices A possible. Take a couple of minutes, pause this video and come back to me for the solution if you don't get it. Alright, now this is a mix of permutation and combination and matrices question. Let's understand one thing. If we have a matrix 3 by 3 matrix and we multiply it with its determinant, its transpose, and we find the trace. Trace is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements. We will understand that the trace of this, when you simplify, is nothing but sum of the squares of all the elements is the trace. So this entire question simplifies to finding the number of possible ways of finding 9 terms, the square of which is 3 and the numbers are -1, 0 and 1. We know that -1 square is equal to 1 square is equal to 1 and 0 square is 0. It is but obvious that since we have 9 terms, 3 terms, any 3 terms should be plus or minus 1. So the way to choose out of 9 terms, any 3 terms is 9C3 and each of these 3 terms can be a plus or minus 1 and hence that is the answer, because the other 6 terms will be 0, otherwise the trace cannot be 3.